So drilling the output jack, and this is always somewhat troublesome. Oh, I have a line to follow, just so I have room for all the other electronics. This is a 12 mil barrel jack. So what I could do is drill it in one go, but that would be sort of dumb. Well, not sort of dumb, but I will drill a pilot hole first, just to get my bearings. So the drill bit has something to follow. So essentially, I'm going at that kind of angle. There we go. Keeping the angle. Is that the angle? That is pretty much the angle. Now, just to check, not going to put it all the way in because it's not going to go all the way in. Yep, see, there's something about that. How come I have a feeling this is not a 12 mil? It looks more like a 10. Always double check your drill bits, because I don't think that that was 12. Should be. By all means should be. 12 and a half might be too much. Ah. Need a twist bit. It's really hard for me to grab onto the edge there, but if I widen that out ever so slight, well, nah, I won't. Alright, well this is annoying, but it so far is the only way that I can actually get it done. Angle, yep. Now that should fit a lot better, which it does, which is nice, alright? But I want to have this not sticking out. I want it to go in a little bit, and if I check this correctly, that is 16 mil. So I am going to use a step drill, and it is this one right here. So I'm going to get it to there, and this is very nice tool. It just sits in the hole. Okay, so it is the next one. Yeah? Yeah, it's the next step. That should sit in there nicely. Just gonna get it a bit further in. There we go. That's gorgeous. Perfect. So we're going to create a little bit of space here for all the electronics to sit in. Not drilling all the way through, because that would be insanity. I'm just making a little indentation for the pots and the switch to sit in. Let's take a bit more. Just check that we're not going to go all the way through. No, we're not. Go. And do this on the other side then. All right, then it's just a matter of drilling through from this side so we don't get tear out on the top. And slowly but surely. Well, I heard that there was a little bit of tear out on the other side. Yep, that's fine. It's in the cavity. Completely okay. Now, what we do need to check, though, is that there is enough. See, I need to take this in a little bit more because the switch just doesn't come out enough. And I suspect that the same deal with the actual pots. They won't come out enough. So, a little bit of adjusting. And get back in a bit and we'll drill the rest of the holes. And then it's sanding. agree. Yeah, that's nice. The last time I was doing sanding, I was doing it on my balcony. Suffice to say, this is quite a bit more enjoyable. So starting with my final 120. Why are you all different sizes? Alright, I'll try and get the fest tool to work. Well, there it goes. Oh, I haven't plugged it in. I know I've already 120 this once, but out of end grain is nightmare. So this is gonna take a while. We're gonna show you the neck real quick. It's just gonna be the headstock, basically.